to the second season of Survivor Stuffed Animals. Today is the start of your journey. Tomorrow, or maybe today, you will start the road to $1 million. First, before anything happens, we have to get team captains. I'm going to have everyone vote for who they think the team captain, the best team captain, would be. Out of everyone here, we have Army, Izzy, Shadow, Minty, Plum, Pumpkin, Snow, Tyson, Shadow, Claire, Jack, Rex, Buckwheat, Candy, Tie-Dye, Tiggy, Rainbows, Lucky, Max, and Camo. Vote anyone you want on who you think will be the best team leader. I have the votes in my hand. The person with the most votes was Plum. Why me? Oh, okay. The person with the second most amount of votes is Shadow. Man. At least I'm a team captain. Now, this isn't going to be like last season's team picking. What is going to happen is once you pick the person that you want, they are going to pick the next person for you. Anyways, since Plum got most votes, pick who you want. You know, I'll take the Jaguar. That's Jaggy. Hello. You know, I'll take Tiggy, the green tiger. Yeah, that's me. Hello, Shadow. Jaggy, who do you pick? I'll take the German Shepherd. That would be Tyson. You know, I want the green dinosaur. He looks really strong. That would be Rex. You know, I'll take the dragon over there. That would be Camo. Who do you pick? Take the dog in the army suit. Kind of looks like an army soldier. Thing is, that is Army. You know, I have some faith in the multicolored dog. Which one, the small one or the big one? Oh, the big one. That would be Tie-Dye. Hi. You know, I'll get the other dinosaur. He seems strong. That's Pumpkin. Hi. I'll take the white and brown dog with blue eyes. Yes, that would be Max. I don't know. I'll take the white polar bear. Yes, that's Jack. Max, who do you pick? Need some help. You do? Yeah. Maybe get that multicolored dog over there. Think I should? Yeah. Alright. I'll take the multicolored dog. Her dress. No, whatever. That's Lucky. Hi, I'm Lucky. Yes, still got my pick. I'll take the yellow dog. That's Minty. Hey, everybody. I want someone that can match my dress. I'm going to pick the rainbow cat over there. That's Rainbows. Hi. I'll take the white cat. I don't know my logic with animals. That is Snow. Hi, Minty and Tiggy. I'll take the brown and, the brown and the one with orange. Oh, did you call me? Oh, I'm Buckwheat. I'll take the tie-dye dog over there, the small one. Oh, okay. That is Izzy. I'll pick the cat. That's Candy. And Izzy, you have no choice except to take Claire. It's okay. Thanks, Jack. And here are your teams. Your team name Shadow will be Vada. Their tribe color will be black. They have Shadow, Tiggy, Rex, Army, Pumpkin, Jack, Minty, Snow, Izzy, and Claire. Your tribe name will be Yasana. Your tribe color will be purple. You have Plum, Jaggy, Tyson, Camo, Tie-Dye, Max, Lucky, Rainbows, Buckwheat, and Candy. You better see some good work out there. Anyways, let's get the second season of Survivor on the road.